Step into luxury with the Scudo S6 double-door quadrant shower enclosure 1200 by 800 millimeters. Its polished chrome finish and clear glass design will add a glimmer of grace to your bathroom. The Aqua Shield glass treatment ensures easy cleaning and maintenance, while the 6mm toughened safety glass guarantees durability and safety. Not only do these shower enclosures provide a spacious washing experience, but they also offer generous adjustment for out-of-true walls, making installation a breeze. Designed for corner placement, it can be fitted for both left and right-hand configurations, giving you the flexibility you need. Say goodbye to outdated shower curtains and hello to the convenience of double roller doors. Get ready to indulge in a truly relaxing shower experience with the Scudo S6 double-door quadrant shower enclosure. Your bathroom deserves nothing less than perfection. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.